Hi, this is Thomas from Advanced Ads. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enter the AdSense Auto Ads code into your WordPress site without any coding. First, we need to make sure to have Advanced Ads installed by clicking on the Add New button here at the top of the plugin page and then search for Advanced Ads. Once we find it, we can install it, and once it is installed, we just activate it. Here we go. As you can see, there is this new Advanced Ads menu here at the left side, and we go to the settings page and then to the AdSense options. The first option is for entering the publisher ID, which you can find in your AdSense account. Just log into AdSense and you will see it anywhere within any URL of the account. It starts with a pub and then followed by a few numbers. Copy this part, go back to the Advanced Ad settings and insert the publisher ID here. Now you only need to enable the Auto Ads option so that the code is automatically added to your website. Save the settings and that's it. You can verify by going to the front end of your website and look into the source code. If you're a bit of a coder, then just search for the publisher ID to find the fully generated Auto AdSense code here in the header section, like it is suggested from AdSense. Okay, that's it. If you want to know how you can enter the Auto Ads code only for specific pages and you're on YouTube, then just click on the link in the description to find our additional tutorial to do that. Otherwise, good luck with your AdSense earnings and Auto Ads. Bye.